Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OneDrive for AI report generation, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize OneDrive for AI report generation, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the OneDrive website and log in with your Microsoft account. After logging in, locate the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Click on the settings icon to access the options menu. In the Settings menu, find and select Options or Manage Access. Once in the Options menu, look for Integrations or Connected Apps. Click on that section to view third-party app integrations. Find the AI report generation application from the list. Select the application to proceed with authorization. You may be prompted to grant permissions for accessing your OneDrive files. Review the permissions required and click Allow or Authorize to continue. After authorizing, return to the main OneDrive interface. Now, navigate to the folder where you want to store your AI-generated reports. Create a new folder specifically for your reports if needed. Inside the designated folder, ensure you have adequate permissions set for any collaborators. This will allow the AI report generation tool to save files directly to this folder. When you return to the AI report generation application, ensure it is also logged in with the same Microsoft. Confirm that the integration shows OneDrive access is connected. You are now set up to use OneDrive for AI report generation. Proceed to create your report using the specific features of the AI tool. The generated reports should automatically save in the designated OneDrive folder. Periodically check your OneDrive to ensure files are being saved correctly. If you encounter any issues, revisit the Permissions section in OneDrive settings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.